Welcome to this tutorial video on how to set the Scan Cooldown Timer in the Barcode to Sheet application. Let me open the sheet in scanning mode, and I'll show you how to set the Scan Cooldown Timer. I'm going to open the sheet named Inventory Management by clicking on it. Open the sheet in Barcode Scanning Only Entry mode. As you can see, the barcodes are being scanned and values are updating automatically. To set the cooldown timer, click the time icon at the top of the screen. In this section, the scan cooldown time will be set. I'll set it to 3 seconds, so the interval between scans will be 3 seconds. If set to 6, the cooldown interval will be 6 seconds. If you need to scan barcodes rapidly without any delay, simply turn off the cooldown timer. This will switch the barcode scanning mode to rapid mode, allowing barcodes to be scanned at lightning speed. As you can see, the barcodes are scanning at rapid speed with no cooldown timing. This feature is especially useful in situations where cooldown is not required, such as inventory management, stock updates, and similar tasks. That's it. I hope you now understand how to set the scanner cooldown time in Barcode to Sheet. See you in the next tutorial video.